If your car could talk, it might just brag about being born in a tech paradise. Yes, we're talking about the top car factories in the world. First stop, the Tesla factory in Fremont, California. This isn't just a factory, it's a revolution on wheels. Spanning nearly 5.3 million square feet, it's where raw metal transforms into electric beauties. Here, giant robots, with names like Cyclops and Thunderbird, dance around Tesla models, making heavy lifting look like a ballet. Moving across the globe, we land in Germany at the Volkswagen Wolfsburg plant. Imagine a city dedicated to making cars. That's Wolfsburg for you. It's so large that workers zip around on bicycles. This plant doesn't just assemble cars, it stitches together innovation, history, and the future. So, next time you drive, remember your car might have had a more glamorous birthplace than you think.